Part 3. What are the typical choices people make at different stages of their lives? Um, so I think that um, when we are students like me now, we have to decide which school are we going to, what school is suitable for our ability, and uh, we have to choose whether if that school is far from home or near home. And when we are an adult, we have to decide our future career, what our what is our occupation, and what to do to improve your life, earn money, and pay back to our parents to raising us. And when we are elderly, we have to decide where to live with our like offspring, or in the hometown, just grandma and grandpas. Yep. Should important choice be made by parents rather than young adults? uh it's kind of hard question, and I really have mixed opinion for this, because uh, if the important choices like what school going to, and like where our home will be located, and I think about the school, parents must like having a serious conversation with the children. I ask them more, like as much as question as possible, to get to know them, what they like, how their ability, and what school is suitable for their ability. And in that situation, parents must have known their children well to decide their school. But like where to live, I think that problem depend on the adults, because they are older than us, they have experience, and they know where like have a best living condition. But sometimes we have to tell tell children, maybe they can give us some best advice about home, and we cannot expect that. Why do some people like to discuss choices with other people? So obviously, when a person asks other to uh, to speak out their opinion about that choices, that person is not sure about their choice, their decision. So and we are different people, and we have different eyes. We are looking at life in different way. So then maybe we can give different opinion, different corner about that decision. So uh, yeah, through all of that, we can decide best decision, I think. What kind of choices do people have to make in their everyday life? So in daily life, I think uh, the most popular choice is what to wear today, what to eat today, because my family always concerned about that, and we cannot figure out what to eat in half an hour. We cannot decide that they're too much, and sometimes we like we are not hungry, but we still have to eat because of our health. Yep. Why do some people choose to do the same things every day? Are there any disadvantage in this? Um, you know, people, they are this is difficult for people to get out of their comfort zones, which they do every day, and that's their habit. It's really hard to change. It takes time, really much time, because for me, uh, take myself as an example. In the past, I like usually don't just I didn't clean my room. I don't tidy the bed, and all that work is for my mom. And but now I can clean up my room and tidy my bed. So I I guess I get out of my comfort zone and be hardworking. Do you think that people today have more choices to make today than in the past? Yes, I do. Because like today we take advantages of technologies, many smart devices and technology related devices are out, and we have to decide what to buy and what is suitable for our budgets that right right in that time in the meantime. And we have to like decide the education for our children, which in the past it is like kind of easy because usually girls don't didn't go to school, and boys probably they had to be sent in the best school at that time. If that a like the upper class, but like the poor people, or maybe they just don't they just didn't send their children to go to school and just stay home and help their parents.